Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by selecting 12 fresh strawberries, firm and bright red, wash them under cold water, then pack completely dry with paper towels. Moisture will cause melted chocolate to seize, so ensure they are bone dry and chill on a tray for 15 minutes to firm the flesh. Trim the stems slightly if needed, but leave enough to hold, placing berries 3–5 inches apart on parchment prevents sticking and allows air circulation while the chocolate sets. Work in a cool room to keep temper stable. Measure 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, either chips or chopped bars, and melt gently. Use a double boiler over simmering water or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between intervals. Keep the chocolate around 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for dark and 86 to 88 for milk to maintain a glossy finish. Hold each berry by the stem, dip fully or half, then rotate to let excess chocolate drip off before placing on parchment. Refrigerate the tray for 10 minutes to firm the coating. Do not over-chill. Temper or soften 2 ounces of white chocolate to a smooth, pipeable consistency and transfer to a small piping bag fitted with a #2 round tip or a cut corner. Practice your lettering on parchment first, then steady your wrist and write 1 letter per cooled, set strawberry. Aim for letters about 1/2 inch high so they remain legible after cooling. Work quickly but carefully. If the white chocolate thickens, rewarm for 5 to 10 seconds. Finish with optional sprinkles, then store in a single layer in the fridge up to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.